Tails is the call and heads it is. Losing the toss could prove costly. This could make for a really interesting match. Here come the openers. Quick pace bowler into the tank. Batsman getting into position to face the first ball of the innings. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. That's a very unorthodox kind of a field he has set. That is a nice shot. Timed it beautifully for 4. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. He has gone for a loose stroke. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Strokes it into the gap for a single. Here is a fielder at deep extra cover. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, shot, but only a single. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. What a catch by the fielder. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
Plays and misses.
Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back. Fielding team can now have more than 2 fielders outside the inner circle.
That is a very quick single taken. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Nudges it for a single.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover. Strokes it into the gap for a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
Oh, that must have really hurt. Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
Slips in place.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped. Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Oh, shot, but only a single. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
Spinner into the action from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at the extra cover.
That is a very quick single taken. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Nudges it for a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.